Hey everybody, I just got hot off the presses, or cold out the mailbox. It's cold out the mailbox. I've actually not even, I've really not looked at this, and I just cut the tape. So it's the Project Sweetwater box. It's a quarterly subscription. I'll link the link down below to get this subscription. You can sign up for it. I think it's $49.95 or $39.95, but it's only quarterly. Sometimes it's holiday themed. So since this is the winter one, I wonder, quarterly, 4 times a year. I wonder if we got Christmas stuff. I'm not sure what's in it. So can't wait much longer to get out of this box. Really? Oh, I told you I hadn't opened it. Which is something new other than the Jenny box. The Jenna box. Y'all gotta go watch that. Because I'm watching them with her. Like she wanted us to do. She wanted us to watch with her. So I'm watching with her. Alright, so just fresh out the mailbox. This is what I look at. I'm going to take the tissue paper off, and on the top, welcome to Main Street. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's almost like authentic to me, and some of the timber, well, more authentic maybe. Welcome to Main Street. This line was inspired by our very own Main Street in our small town of Fort Morgan, Colorado. It was recently featured on HGTV's Hometown Takeover. Ooh. So if you get a chance, check it out. For this box, For this box, we designed 2 smaller quilt designs for you to choose. One is a fun patchwork and the other one has a cool zigzag pattern. For a fun table decoration, make the mini baskets for each guest at your holiday table. Aww. We are also excited to debut dessert rolls in this box. We love the strips as they showcase the collection and variety of prints and can be used for so many different projects. We have 1 charm pack, 1 dessert roll, and a pattern pack with 3 patterns and a label sheet. And look at this. Can you see that? And in the next box, it features, the next box is going to be vintage. So, I highly recommend this box. Sometimes you got to go, if they're sold out, you can go on their Facebook page or you can sign up for their email newsletter. And then when some subscriptions come open, you can go in there and get you one. All right, so this is the dessert roll. Oh, it's 5-inch strips. So not 5-inch squares, 5 inches of strips. Well, that's new. That's not new, I don't think. Does Cave do that? Does he do a 6-inch roll? This is 5-inch. Super pretty. Okay, so my charm pack come like this. We'll look at the charm pack in just a minute. That way you don't have to unroll that because it's the same fabric. This is a lot of fabric. Okay. The next we have our tagged. You can get the tagged personal label club from Sweetwater, and this is also a subscription, and I used to get this, but I ended up with so many labels I just no need to keep getting some, and plus I get one in here. And if y'all go on their website, they have like an Etsy store, but they have their own website. They have books that show you what you can do with this, like the Printworks book. You can put it on pillows. You can put it on your forehead. I don't care what you do with it. I'm just joking. You can see how this basket has joy on it. So you make the basket and then you just iron on, I think these are iron on, yeah. You iron on the label and then you can just stitch around it to keep it on there. So our patterns obviously is this wonderful one. Look at that. Isn't that super cute? Look at the back. Let's see. So we have the pattern for the mini scallop basket with your templates. You get templates to help you out. And then we have the Main Street table mat. And that you make with the dessert roll strips. And this one you make with one dessert roll strip. Okay, yay, Daddy's home. Okay. So you get those two patterns right there. And you get this pattern right here. And if I'm reading this right, so the Main Street table mat finishes 36 by 36. Cut 8 dessert strips. The mini scallop basket is 1 dessert strip, 2 dessert strips. And then the Main Street zigzag quilt is 10 plus your 1/3 of cream fabric and then binding backing batting. So 10, you get your templates. 10, 11, 12 plus 8 is 20. So we have this. We have this. 3 patterns. Your labels. I wish I did labels. All right, so now let's look at the fabric. Okay. So they did that free pattern, the free pattern in the Fat Quarter Shop. They did that pattern in this. The one that was in the Sew Sampler box, the Best Friends, Friends Forever. They gave a free pattern. It's on the Fat Quarter Shop page. Is free. And they did it with this fabric, and it is just super adorable. So let's see. I have this. So this is like neutral greens, creams, blacks, and then of course Sweetwater fabric has all the nice prints. And these say Batter and Crumbs Bakery, cakes are our specialty. The Daily Grind Coffee Shop, lollipops and gumdrops, Monday through Friday, 9 to 6, 321 Main Street. Oh, I love this. The Premier Candy Store. Papa J's Market, providing the best produce. This is just super adorable. And some white on white. I don't even know where this camera is facing. I'm such a wonderful, perfect video person. Not. This is blues and then greens going this way. Can you see the blues? I don't think it's showing up. The blues aren't showing up. You have some plaid. It's this color blue. Some plaids with checkers in there. Then we have some more stains. That's what Sweetwater's pretty much known for, is their wordy text prints. These are light blues and greens. It's a light blue and a green. And then you have your street signs. North Avenue, Center, Sherman, Main Street. Oh, I like this one. It's those blues and greens. Here's your streets in a different, it's a light blue. It's coming off a little gray. Let's see if I put something next to it. Nope. It's a more blue than it is gray. Then we have some more prints, the words, that blue. I don't know what kind of blue you would call that. And some more flowers. This is beautiful. I love it. The blue is looking better right here. Kind of that blue, yeah. Oh, that's pretty. And then these are with the black and the green. The black dashes was where the blue was on the other one, or vice versa. Ooh, I like this. It's plaid-y, like a plaid blue, like that really pastel, not even a pastel, I don't know what you call it. It's just pretty. That's what we'll call it. We'll call it pretty. We'll call it beautiful. This would be good to do a boy's quilt in. I did one for my son with the authentic and mixed with some timber. And I put one of their panels in the middle. It's not quilted yet, but I'll show it to you. So on the back is, I actually got this, you can barely make out what the words say. It looks like a really antique-y old magazine or newspaper print on the back. And then the top is authentic. Let's see if I can show you this. The top is authentic and timber. And then the middle there, can you see it? Let's see. The middle is just a piece of their pattern out of their other box. I put that in the middle. And authentic I bought in I think a couple charm packs, and then in the box came the oh, it's upside down. In the box they had some timber, and I decided to put the two together. And it's all just 5-inch squares with that panel in the middle. That's it. And this is my son, and I have to, for my son, and I have to quilt it because I thought them colors was good color for a boy. Y'all see my pajamas? Okay, so let's get back to it. All right, we're on this one right here. It's pretty much they make the prettiest, it's like a cocoa brown. Reminds me of cocoa color. It's a brown that I love. And then the cream and that cocoa color. Reminds me of the hot chocolate powder. I'm loving that plaid. And then there's that one. Okay. I believe it's $49.95. 3 patterns. 1, 2, 3 quilts, table topper, a little basket, tags, a whole, I'm assuming it's a 42. Let's see. 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, is it only 10? Oh, well then you can't do all of them because I think it came out to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's only 10. So if you want to do all three, you're going to have to get another one, just another half roll of dessert, another dessert roll, 5-inch strips. 3 patterns, labels, charm pack, and I think that's it. So that was the Sweetwater box. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Tell me down below if you like it. I like them. I wouldn't get them if I didn't, because they have the prettiest fabric. I love Sweetwater fabric. So let me know if you get this box too, and I'll link them down below. See if they have any boxes available, or you can just get the tag subscription. All right, you guys, y'all have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.